guys, what is up? I am super excited to be coming to you today. So I am actually right by the Dragon Bridge, which is a really popular location here in Da Nang. And watch my background real quick. Oh my gosh, isn't this beautiful? So at night around 9, the dragon is gonna blow fire, which I'm so excited to show you guys. But first, we are going to have our first bite for the day, and it's gonna be this amazing, oh my gosh. Okay, check this out. So it's actually this shop right here, and hello Jay. So I actually had a chance to try this first time. It was in Hoi An, and I was like looking for it in the past couple weeks, and I was like, how come they don't have it around here? And I got off the bike, I saw the name, I ran straight to this car. So yeah, here goes. We're gonna do a first bite together. So I actually recommended this to a couple of my friends, and you guys enjoyed it, right? Yeah, they really liked it too. So, oh my gosh, so excited, so excited. First bite, yours. Look at the inside. Wow. So I'm curious if this tastes different than the one I had in Hoi An. I love how moist the coconut shreds are. Man. And it's not too sweet. Just slightly sweet. Awesome texture of this crunchy rice paper. And then kind of moist but shreds coconut. And then they also have, I'll show you real quick. You see the black seeds? Those are sesame seeds. And then she sprinkled it. Sorry, she drizzled a thin layer of caramel on top too. It's Leo here. Welcome back to my channel. Super excited to have you guys on tonight. We're actually at the same night market as before, but we're gonna have some phenomenal eats. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you do not miss any further video. But dude, tonight is gonna be absolutely amazing. You guys see it's really hopping with people tonight. It's actually packed out. So I'm really excited to show you some amazing eats. Yeah, and definitely the food is going to be different from last time, so you guys stay tuned. But if you are ready, let's go ahead and get started. What's up guys? Welcome to Hoi An. Check out this amazing view behind me. Oh yeah, so there's like lanterns everywhere. Just kidding, I'm not really in Hoi An. I'm still in Da Nang. It's just like we're at a night market, and a few of the stalls are like imitating Hoi An's like look of the lantern. So yeah, they display these as well. Okay, you guys, check out this amazing stall. Yeah, so she's got a bunch of different dried fruits here. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, man. So they allow you to try, samples here before you get the stuff. So this she's cutting is dry prune. It's actually salted dry prune. Oh my gosh, so nice. stall. They have some fabulous rice cakes, which is something that I ate growing up. So I have to show you the different varieties that they have. It is so awesome. So this is bánh bèo. Their filling is some sort of like a creamy sauce and crushed peanuts, scallions on top, which is quite different from how we eat it in the central Vietnam in my part of town. Okay, bánh này bánh gì?
Dạ bánh ít ram.
Ít ram hả? Ồ, bánh tôm chính giữa đúng không?
Dạ đúng rồi, đúng rồi.
Kèm chung luôn đi hả? Hỏi cho đâu luôn hả?
Dạ,
Kẹp chung đó, okay. This is bánh nậm đúng không em?
Dạ. Taste the shrimp here.
Yeah. Okay guys, so check out this sugar cane. Yes. This is my second time coming back here because it's super fresh. Hôm nay bận rộn không cô?
Mấy bữa nay thì bán chậm. Mấy bữa là bán mình ở dưới chốt đường á là chỗ nào rảnh thì đi lên, chứ mấy bữa là bán bên kia.
Ồ vậy hả cô? Dạ. Thấy dạ con nói là con thấy một cái ở trên trên nhưng mà con nói là con sẽ trở lại cô, cho nên con trở lại.
Vậy hả?
Dạ. Rồi chúc cô bán chạy nha. Alright guys, so excited. Oh my god.
Tình có nghĩa ghê hả?
Dạ. Thường con hứa sao là con làm vậy à cô? Nhưng mà con nói con trở lại là con sẽ trở lại. Alright, so here are my two foodie buddies tonight. Guys, how are you guys feeling about this market? How do you guys feel?
Amazing.
Are you ready to kill?
Yes.
We're gonna devour so much, so make sure you guys stay tuned, okay? Don't leave. Don't click to the next channel. Okay. Alright guys, so we got our sugar cane. We three all each ordered a sugar cane. Let's go.
Talking about this one.
So good.
This one is I'm talking about.
Oh, this
Like
one?
bottom bag.
Wow.
What's the name of this?
It's called anh cái này tên gì quên rồi?
Nem lụi chị.
Nem lụi dạ.
Nem lụi, bánh xèo, bữa cuốn chả dầu Hoành Thánh.
Wow, look at this stall guys. And hello đi. Hey. So they have, anh có gì nói lại đi.
Dạ, nem lụi, bánh xèo, bữa cuốn chả dầu Hoành Thánh. Có lẩu hải sản nè.
Wow, dữ tợn quá, so many things. So they actually have cái này bánh bao chiên đúng không?
Dạ.
Oh my gosh, they have fried bánh bao guys. Like usually we don't see this often, so let me show it to you.
Cái đó là thịt với lại cà rốt. Hoành Thánh à.
Hoành Thánh chiên đúng không? Rồi cái này tôm gì anh?
Chả giò tôm chị.
Chả giò tôm đúng rồi, ok. Oh my gosh. You guys have never had Vietnamese crepe. You're missing out. Alright, so Kath and Becca are currently at the stall and they're getting...
Can I and
Look at these ladies. They're fired up, ready to devour. Okay, how is it, Kath? Yeah, good. Ngon, yeah. So Kath speaks Vietnamese very, very well. Okay, guys. Thank you. Okay. You right? Alright guys, so I am back. We got ourselves our table here and we are kind of like getting our food together. I feel like this table doesn't even have enough room for our food, but I got some snails again. But this time I'm gonna be recording some of me eating the snails for you guys, okay? And this time I don't even know what type of snails I got, but they're like the longer version. So I can't wait for you guys to see it. You're gonna see, you know, some weird sounds, so I hope you don't mind, but it's gonna be so good. So get ready. So she gave me, I ordered this type, the long ones, but she gave me some extra so I can try this one as well. But here is the snail. Zoom in. Zoom in. So basically what we do, it's okay. I'm going to sucking the tail. And then I'm gonna show you guys. Don't get grossed out, okay? Guys, see? It's coming out. So, right there is my snail. Yay! Okay, and then the sauce. I'm gonna dip it in here. This is fish sauce, guys. It's chewy, it's flavorful, slightly spicy, so good. If you can eat squid, you can eat snails. All right, guys, so I've got my shaken mango, which has pieces of chili and also salt. I hope you can hear the crunch. So crunchy. Definitely good. A little bit of a kick. It's still sour. Now I'm gonna try the cup for you guys. Okay, so here is the cup, guys. Just to show it to you. I actually have no idea what it's called in English. So spicy. I mean, sorry, so crunchy though. I feel like if this is like a little bit spicier, it would be better.
Yeah, with the leaves. The meat part is
the best.
amazing.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you what my friend is about to eat. Okay, so we ordered some balalo, which is ground up beef, and it's wrapped in a special type of leaf. I don't know what it's called. And she's about to dip it into the sauce. It's a homemade sauce. We actually got it from the same stall. All right, Kath. She had to take that pause. You guys see the pause?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is good.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. So good. Yeah, guys. All right. Well, I look right here, guys. First bite, yours. Amazing. The beef is very tender. It's ground up, so it's easy to chew. But it's so well seasoned. And the most amazing thing is the combination of the beef with the leaf. Like the leaf adds such a nice, interesting taste to it. Very, very awesome. Wow. Also, just to let you guys know, usually with the balalo, we would eat it with vermicelli noodles, or yeah, we'll eat it with bánh hỏi. And we'll wrap it with lettuce or whatever veggies, and we'll dip it in a fish sauce as well too. So you can eat it like that, or just on the skew. Good. My next item is going to be oysters, grilled oysters, Vietnamese style. So he's gonna lightly grill it, and then some scallions, crushed peanuts on top, Oh my gosh. And then this is scallop. And guess how much this dish is? 100K. Wow, look at this. Tôm này tôm gì em?
Cái này con ghẹ.
Oh, con ghẹ. Okay, yeah. Yeah, they have so many varieties, guys. Amazing. Oh my gosh. I can literally feel the heat right now, guys. Wow.
Then I'm good. Once a day.
You can only eat meal once a day?
Oh my gosh, guys. Check this out. Amazing grilled oysters, Vietnamese style. So always have some crushed peanuts on top, some pan-seared scallions, and they add a little bit of a sauce. But we had salt and pepper and kumquat sauce on the side. Okay, so I also ordered these 2 shrimps. I know they look huge, and they're fairly, you know, decent size, but he grilled it for me. I don't know if they season it at all. I'm really excited to devour this, man. So good. Okay, let's do this. I love this texture. And the oysters here, honestly the seafood here in general in Vietnam, it just kind of melts in your mouth. So tender. Very different from the oysters in America. It's like so chewy, kind of like rubbery, you know? But, so this is good, but I feel like if they had fish sauce on top, it would have been way better. Alright! First bite, yours? Dude, I don't think I've ever had a, look how long this is, guys. I have never seen a lobster, a shrimp with this long of a, what do you call these? Claws? Ooh. All right, you got it, thank you. So look at the head, guys. Let me see. Nothing in here. But so crunchy. I know my hands are a little bit dirty, but we're doing street food, guys. Who cares? Open this up. Yeah. Got the meat. The meat's pretty good. I feel like it's tender, but there's not a lot of seasoning on the shrimp. I guess maybe because they didn't really season it well. But yeah, fairly decent. All right, guys, so what an amazing night. Did you guys enjoy that video or what? Man, so many different things. I think if I were to count up like all the items I ate from morning to evening, it's probably at least 20 different items. But it was so much fun eating with Becca and Kath, so I want to appreciate them for hanging out with me. We had a ball together throughout the whole day. But you know, seriously, I want you guys to comment below and let me know which one was your favorite item. Like, which one were you guys eyeing while I was, you know, filming all the different foods tonight. So yeah, super excited. I can't wait to venture out to more night markets so that I can, you know, explore and bring you guys along with me. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't had a chance yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you do not miss any further videos. But thank you so much for your support. And one more thing, I'm so grateful to all you guys. I hit 1,000 subscribers tonight. It was amazing. Thank you so much. And with that, over and out from Sungja Market. Bye!